Hi, this is Brad at Brad's Home Center again. We're going to talk about one of the most asked questions we got when we sell an electric range. The difference in how I hook up a 4-prong cord versus a 3-prong cord. And everybody always asks, even though there are instructions on the back of the stove, the cord is designated by what you have it plugs into in the wall. And before you ask, there are no adapters. You've got to put the right cord on the right range. All right, it all starts the same. You got to open up the access panel. It's usually 1/4 inch, 5/16 or Phillips. I'm going to take my little friend Mr. DeWalt here. And remove the screw. Now from there you can see 3 lugs and a ground. Now for a standard 3-prong cord, we don't do a whole lot from here. We don't have to change a lot. Now, I like to use a deep wall socket set. That way I can get all the way down on my screw. I take my nut off. And no, this is not a good place for power tools. You will strip them, you will break them, you'll be paying us to come out and fix them. And it is not covered under warranty. Black, white, and red. Now you see these over here? You can actually slide the cord up and tighten it up in there, or you can sister it over the top. Now first one we're going to do is 3-prong cord, which means we leave that ground strap on. And here's the part everybody hates. It is called the strain relief. That in case you yank the cord, you don't break your connector. And they sister in there and here, and the 2 screws hold them in. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to snake this little cord up there. Now everybody wants to know, does it matter, do we do it like this or do we do it like that? It really doesn't matter. So long as the ground's in the center, the 2 ACs are in the outside, and it'll work just fine. So we're going to slip it right up on in there, and we put the middle to the middle. Did we say that? Middle to the middle. And my daddy always taught me finger tight first. If it don't go on with your finger, you did it wrong. Now all we have to do is snug them down. Now that's a good electrical connection. I can't move them by going down and wiggling them. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to try and get on that a little stress relief. And if we had a Valium, it'd be time to take it. One in front, one in back. Line it up. Get the screws lined up. And be careful not to send it through your finger. One. Two. Now, no matter how hard I yank on this, ain't gonna break my electrical connection there, and that's what that's all about. Now, here we go for the last part people forget about. Got to put your cover back on. Is keep little kids' fingers in there. Nobody wants to kill a kid, and they have them for a reason, because it has happened in their lifetime. And voila, that is how you put on a 3-prong cord.